Una, dos, tres. Hi traders, how are you? Well, with the news that Israel attacked Iran, and yeah, so Bitcoin fell from 108 to 102.6. It was a fall that we were expecting, at least in the community that I run. I can show you guys that in my YouTube channel, but that's the one in Spanish. I talked about it in the last video 2 days ago. I said that we were about to have a fall with Bitcoin, a really strong fall, and it happened. Okay, so we were expecting something like this. At the moment, I have this zone here. All of these are prices where it could bounce to the upside. Obviously, you have to choose which zones would be the best. I think the best would be this one, 101.8, this one, 101.3, and this one, 100,576. These are the prices in Binance. So if you trade in another broker, just look for these zones in your chart, the corresponding chart. So what can we expect from here now in Bitcoin? We already took the liquidity that was in these places. So we already filled the gap on the CME chart. Here it is. And as always, Bitcoin just won't pass through it, like it just destroyed the gap. My bet is that it just wanted to take the liquidity of the people that were in the inferior part of the gap and the liquidity that was here. Because as I said to the community the community that I have in Spanish, there was a giant gap here. There was the gap of CME here, and everything here was extremely balanced. So there was no reason and no zone in that area. Let me see, I told them from 103 to 105. No, I told them from 105 up all the way down to 102. There was no zone where it could bounce to the upside. I took a long position that I already closed because I just wanted a scalp around 102.757. So it was a small operation. I closed it at 103.88. Around 1% of movement. But yeah, so what can we expect? We have different options. I think the key right now is to look at that tether dominance chart, because let me go to daily time frame. Okay, so as I told my community, there are no students, it's just a community where we share ideas. But as I told my community, we have change of character here, the break of the structure of the downtrend, and we did it with a lot of strength. Like, it was really convinced it wanted to break the downtrend. So that gave us the sign that it was extremely probable that we would fall all the way down to this zone, but only to go higher. So we have a break of structure here and another one here. Previous high. So what can we expect here? Because I think right now the chart of Bitcoin can be a bit tricky to read because we are in all-time highs. So people are expecting Bitcoin to go all the way up to $1 million, and some people, now that it fell, are expecting Bitcoin to fall all the way to down to 70K. So that's just because I think we're in a distribution zone. I don't think we're gonna go make another all-time high at the moment, but I could be wrong. I mean, this is just my opinion. But sticking to the charts, what we can see in the charts is that we have this strong movement to the upside in the tether dominance chart. We have this retracement all the way to this order block that I had marked because I thought we could have a reaction here, and we did, and it was a really strong reaction. So what I'm waiting now is for tether to go down all the way to this zone, and we could go from here all the way to 5.05 to 5.13%. Or the other option and the other zone where we could bounce to the upside is here, 465, more or less, 465, and all the way again to 513, 505. Okay, so if we did that, that I think we will, we would have a movement in Bitcoin that would go all the way to 106. I don't think Bitcoin right now is gonna go higher than 108, than this zone that I just marked, because of the tether chart. Like I just don't see this chart going to the downside to let Bitcoin get back up to 109. I mean, it can happen, so just be ready for that, but I don't think it will. I think we're gonna have just a retracement, a small retracement here, and then we're gonna fall again to at least 100, 1,000, 100K, or we have another zone here. Let me check the prices, because this is a place where we could have, from 98.6 to 99.8 is the other zone where we could have a bounce. We could have a bounce to the upside. We would take the liquidity of this lower. I missed the word. Well, of this zone, of these equal lows. We would take the liquidity that of the stop losses that are there, and we would fill a small gap that we have beneath the zone, and then probably we could go to the upside again, at least to 110, 111. I don't think we're gonna have, as I said before, another all-time high, but well, tell me what you think in the comments. I mean, this is anything can happen in the market, so just let me know how you feel, what you think. If you think it can make another all-time high, then tell me. If you think more like I do, then tell me. Please share with me your thoughts on this. So I think we could have a short position opened here, would be the safest. Or if Bitcoin doesn't show strength, then it could be here. Let's see how it goes. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna operate Bitcoin, and I don't think I'm gonna trade Bitcoin like at the moment, because I want to see how New York reacts to the news of Israel versus Iran. And so I think it's gonna be a tricky days, some tricky days for Bitcoin and for the different markets that you have. Commodities are gonna go up, like gold, like oil. I think US 30, I think US 100, I think Nasdaq, I think all of them, including Bitcoin, that technology sector, will gonna go down. But I do think we are gonna have a small retracement. In the Forex market, I think we're gonna have movement to the upside on the USD pairs. and on every pair that is against the USD, I think they're gonna go down. That's why as I showed you in the morning on the live feed, I showed you that I had entered, that I was waiting to enter a long position in USD JPY in these zones where it just bounced up like we expected, and I have this position open in Euro USD, a short open in Euro USD. I'm waiting at least to get to this zone, but I would like to see it fall all the way down to here, 1.13 to 26. Okay, at least. I mean, we could just pass through and go to 1.12, but these are the different zones that I have. Here is another zone where we could have a bounce up. So those are our three options. Higher than that, I wouldn't trade it because we have a lot of liquidity. So it's common for the price to come, take that liquidity out, and bounce to the upside. So that's what I'm trading right now: Euro USD, USD JPY, as I showed you in the previous video on TikTok. And what else am I trading? I was trading NZD USD in a short position. Look at this beautiful entry. It was just gorgeous, like 2 pips of difference between our entry point, and I mean our entry point because I sent this to the community, but 2 pips difference. And I also was trading, I traded Bitcoin, but I already closed that in profit, got out to $300. Yeah, so it was a really good trade to start this journey. So this is the analysis that I'm sharing with you guys. As I said before, I expect bounce to 106, and it could go lower depending on how USDT point D behaves. Or if USD point D breaks this zone, then we can expect Bitcoin to go all the way up to 107 to 108. Probably gonna take some liquidity here, so I would set the stop loss above this zone or above 109.164. Yeah, so I think the key right now is just to observe what this chart is doing, and based on this chart we can make decisions on Bitcoin, on trades on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I also told the community that Ethereum was in a complicated zone because we were on this, let me see here, we were on this could be an accumulation just to go to the upside and break this range, as we've seen before, that both Bitcoin and Ethereum do it, right? Like they just go to the upside hard, they retrace in one candle, and then they go up again, right? So I think that could happen, but I would bet that we could see a small retracement and then fall all down to this area to 2.2k, and from here we can go to the upside. I think that because that would take all the liquidity that we have down here, and that would give the price a lot of strength, filling this gap, this small gap. I don't think you can see it. Let me show you. So I think we could feel this small gap, this one. Let me just erase this thing. Yeah, so I think we could feel this gap, the one that I'm gonna put in orange right now. Take the liquidity that I showed you before, all these lows, all this liquidity that is here, break those ones, and with just a weak bounce off of that area. So yeah, so I would be prepared to take a long position here on Ethereum. And on Bitcoin, I just want to see what USDT, the dominance in Tether, does. I will be taking decisions uh, based on that. What else? I think that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this brief analysis. I mean, normally they're a bit longer, but I just wanted to be brief. I just wanted to say what I think that the market will do, because people normally panic when Bitcoin moves with this strength, no? Like, makes these movements that are really strong and has this volatility. So I just wanted to share my opinion with people, that to give them some ease and say that it's not the end of the end of Bitcoin yet, right? So don't fall for other analyses that are just catastrophic and send Bitcoin all the way to 40K, 50K, 70K. Like, let's trade zone by zone, and the first zone that we have to pass is 98 to 99. The next zone is around here at 95 to 96, and the last zone that we have to pass is from 95 to 91.5. I don't think it's gonna go all the way down to 91.5. I think we could bounce off on 93 to 95. I think this would be the zone. Yeah, 93 to 95. But yeah, so let's just go day by day. Let's see how this moves. Let's see how Tether moves. As I said before, the key is watching right now. The key is watching Tether dominance chart. That's the key right now to understand what's coming for Bitcoin and the crypto market. So yeah, so that's about it. Let's see how I'll give you updates on my social media, on TikTok and Instagram, of how the live trades that I took are going right now. They are going in profit, all of them. Euro USD, USD JPY, and Bitcoin. I already closed my trade. So it's been a good day. Actually, it's been a good day. I closed NZD USD because I just wanted to because I think it was there were many positions, like taking 4 positions. I've done it before, but I was more comfortable today with the volatility that Bitcoin had, to just be watching three setups. So yeah, so I'm left with those 2, Euro USD, USD JPY, and I'm just looking at Bitcoin and what it does. I'm gonna be sharing a class on how to analyze the market, the strategy that I do and that I use to analyze the market. So I hope you guys will watch it. If you're interested in learning more of how to trade, if you're interested on my series of me documenting my trading journey on growing an account from 4K USD to whatever I can make, hopefully millions. But if you're interested in that, then just subscribe, hit that like button, and comment. Please share with me your thoughts on Bitcoin. Please share with me your thoughts on the war. Share with me your thoughts on whatever you want to share. Because I think it's good to have these conversations and be able to have these spaces where you can share your opinions. So please don't be shy and share it with me in the comments. And I'll see you guys next video.